Not many people think of a freight car as a precision vehicle, or as being sleek, or having a tight fit and finish, or being built for performance, especially at what appears to be the end of its service life. But in Raceland, Kentucky, there's a special place where rebuilding these cars represents the highest achievement in precision craftsmanship. It's a place where the long experience of veteran craftsmen blend with advanced engineering and manufacturing techniques to rebuild freight cars, extending their service use at costs much lower than buying new. After all, electing to rebuild a car is a decision as much practical as it is economic. It should be asked, can bodies be replaced? Can wheels be made to turn smooth again? Can trucks be refitted to correct tolerances? Can air brakes be made to hold hard and tight again? Here at Raceland, fatigued metal is replaced, wheels smooth, trucks reworked, brakes rebuilt, and life extended for reliable, dependable service.
We're doing a real good job on the cars. They're a Cadillac car, I'm telling you. They're beautiful, you'll see that.
Our engineers understand the demands placed on freight cars. With years of field experience, we know how to detect areas of greatest stress and weakness. And using advanced technology and a veteran's eye for anticipating the service life of each car, we design ways to bring renewed strength and tighter tolerances to older cars. From the center sill up, new bodies are formed of completely new steel or of aluminum for lighter weight and greater payloads. And from the center sill down, the trucks, brakes, and wheels are remanufactured to meet or exceed OEM and AAR specifications. From initial design to completion, an old car is transformed into a car that's uncompromised, a car that's solid and ready for many more years of service.
Yes, we have. This shop is very versatile. We can build about any kind of car that anybody needs or they want. And I've been here for 18 years, and yeah, we have run a lot of different cars through the shop, and we build anything that anybody wants or they need, at the top quality too.
Since 1929, the Raceland Car Shop has existed solely for the purpose to build and rebuild freight cars. And through the years, our specialty has centered on the rebuilding of open-top hoppers. We've learned and perfected the process and cultivated a team of highly skilled, experienced craftsmen whose record of safety, performance, and quality exceeds every standard.
It's like playing ball or anything. The longer you do anything, the better you get. You know, it's just that simple.
Providing unsurpassed performance, unsurpassed quality, is a way of life at Raceland. After all, our first client was also our most demanding, ourselves. CSX is one of the largest railroads in North America, with more than 80,000 cars in service. As such, we're one of America's largest specifiers, buyers, and rebuilders of freight cars. And being the nation's largest hauler of coal, with 30,000 coal cars, we have more experience in the care, maintenance, and rebuilding of coal cars than anyone else. To save the increasing expense of replacing thousands of hoppers, we've put millions of dollars into Raceland since 1988, making it one of the most technically and ergonomically advanced shops of its kind. During the past 10 years, some 30,000 cars have been re-engineered and rebodied at Raceland, giving us virtually unparalleled experience in meeting just about any kind of customer demand.
Well, we've been in this business 65 years, and we have the experience, the quality, and versatility. We've done many car types, and this year we've been very successful with aluminum car, steel car. We have what it takes to get the job done.
From the moment your car arrives at Raceland, extra care is taken to determine the right rebuilding or modification design. Here, the plans, parts, and experience combine to rebuild a car for efficient, reliable service. Using innovative techniques and machinery, we clean, inspect, and straighten the center sill. With the precision of advanced robotics, we replace trucks, wheels, and brakes in shops designed to remanufacture parts to meet or exceed today's demanding specifications. We use ergonomically designed tooling to help keep craftsmen safe and keep them focused on performing an excellent job. Adjustable scaffolding is used to body cars to your exact specifications, no matter how tall or short. And we install all required safety devices throughout each car, bringing it into full compliance with present regulations. Your car is finished with the latest in painting technology, coating your car with a durable paint that's essential to long life and acts as an excellent protection of your investment. Lastly, every weld, every corner, every joint, bolt, and rivet receive a final inspection before your car is released for service. With modern processes and skilled master craftsmen, CSXT has set a new standard in rebuilt hoppers, a standard that will last years into the next century.
I feel like we make the best car that anybody can make. And we've been making them for years and they're all out there running. That's proof enough, isn't it?
Now, we want to put that special experience to work for you.
What's special about racing is employee ownership. We have given people a chance to get involved in managing the facility, and they have stepped up, and we're a better managed facility because of that. But all the improvements in safety and quality relate to personal responsibility.
The Raceland Car Shop. Here, ownership of quality belongs to every individual working on your behalf, and meeting your needs is number one.
Quality, that's my middle name, Quality. I'm the inspector. And I look these cars over, and they, when they leave that door, as far as I'm concerned, it is a quality car.
Advanced engineering, state-of-the-art technology, a modern shop, an unprecedented commitment to quality, the skills of dedicated craftsmen. For cars re-engineered to meet your changing needs, for top quality cars, for a proven record, Raceland is the logical choice for your car program. Rebuilt better with unsurpassed quality and unmatched experience. No one can extend the useful life of your cars like we do.
We can do anything, really. We can build any type of car that you give us anything, and we can build it, and we will be the best in the country. I'll guarantee it.